to orient you what is Sea Scout and what is Coast Guard, what is PCGA. So to start our program, let us all stand and bow down our head and look for the invocation. Let us put ourselves in the for the presence of God. Alam pag-ibig, nagsasilamanan, alam ng buhay mamami, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Again, welcome aboard sa Coast Guard Station Iligan. We are here to conduct the Sea Scout orientation of the PCGA. To start our program, to formally start our program, we will call on our very active Director of the Coast Guard Auxiliary Squadron of the 10th 3rd, Captain Samson T. Abantas, PCGA. Sir?
Good afternoon. Mayroong hapon sa tanan. Yun nga, ang sabi ni Ma'am Lindy, Director Captain De La Rosa, na hindi ito dapat ang ating face. The Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Sea Scouts program offers unique and transformative experience for young individuals like yourselves. As you embark on this journey, you will delve into the rich world of seamanship, leadership, and maritime training, maritime safety. Our comprehensive training curriculum is designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and value necessary to navigate the challenge of the sea with confidence and competence. Throughout this orientation, I do believe you will have the opportunity to engage in hands-on activities, in interactive workshop, and insightful discussion led by experienced mentors like Sir Commander Mansueto and our very well-experienced Captain Sir Dumaguel. You will learn the fundamentals of, for instance, knot-tying, navigation techniques, marine conservation practices, and emergency response protocols. Moreover, you will forge lasting friendship and camaraderie with fellow Sea Scouts, united by a shared passion for the ocean and a commitment to serving others. Again, as you embark on this new and exciting chapter, I am encouraging you to approach each learning opportunity with an open mind and sense of curiosity. Embrace challenges, embrace camaraderie, and embrace the adventure that lies ahead. Together, let us embark on a journey of discovery, empowerment, and service as we chart the course towards a brighter and safer future for our coastal communities and beyond. With that, welcome again. Thank you.